First, I would like to thank the company that sent me these keyboard and mouse combo to test. This keyboard is so comfortable to use and the keys are soft to the touch. It has a comfortable cushion wrist rest. I love the phone holder as well. While you're working on your keyboard and computer, you can easily view your phone as it can be placed in front of you with a built-in phone holder on the keyboard. I love how you can easily connect this keyboard with a laptop or monitor with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. It is quiet and full size. The curved shape and memory foam layer with a leather surface reduce wrist bending. You simply plug and play, no need to install drivers. The keyboard and mouse combo share the same USB receiver. This computer mouse provides whisper silent click, no need to worry about disturbing others while working or gaming. Both the wireless mouse and keyboard feature power switches and automatic sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity. These features help extend the battery life. This is great if you're traveling. It's lightweight and easy to bring with you on the road. This is a great gift idea as well for the holiday season gamer or computer lover in your life, and for a birthday gift. I think you're going to love the ease of use. Thanks for watching.